So when the goods are sent on consignment, so goods ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್ ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕನ್ಸೈನಿಗೆ ಅವನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟು ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ to goods sent on consignment account. Goods going out of the business, that's why we are credited. Next, when the consignor insure some expenses in sending the goods. So ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಕನ್ಸೈನರು ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ. When cash or checks accepted is received from the consignee in advance. So consignee ಇಂದ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವನಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟು consignee's account. Cash or bank account, why? Because why we debited, so it is received through the bank to consignees. Consignee is the giver of that check. When cash or checks are of acceptance is received, bill received from the consignee as advance, it dishonored. So dishonored means discounted. Dishonored, there is no entry. Discounted means cash or bank or a bill receivable account data to discount account data to consignees. This is called compound entry. So once again I will tell, checks discounted received from consignee as advance ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ಸೈನಿಂದ ಏನಾದರೂ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟು ಕನ್ಸೈನೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. When discount on the bill is transferred to the consignment account or the profit and loss account. So consignment account data to profit and loss account. When some of the goods returned by the consignee, reverse goods sent to consignment account data to consignment account. When the consignee reports sales, consignee account data to consignee account data to consignment account. When consignment incurs some expenses on consignment, so consignment account data to consignee. When commission payable to the consignee, consignment account data to consignee. Next, when there is a closing stock, consignment stock account data to consignment account. For transferring or the profit or loss of consignment to the profit and loss account, in the case of profit, consignment account data to profit and loss account. Next page will continue.